Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage IPv6 settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now go to Preferences, Network, and then go over to TCP and IP settings. Here we will have IPv6 settings, we can enable it. And here we can check those settings. Now mine are empty. Here we have the stateless address settings, DHCP v6 settings. Here we can enable it and we can check for DHCP on the IPv6. Here we also have option settings like acquire DNS server address and domain name. And that's basically what you guys can do in the IPv6 settings here. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.